Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a Mojave Silver Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. We've got 19-inch 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. A black MPTEX interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a keyless entry, blind spot assist, keyless go, an LED logo when you open the door, Burmeister sound system, a nice natural grain gray oak wood trim, heated seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our new touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push-start ignition. A 10.25 touchscreen display. Navigation. A rear view backup camera. This one also does come with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you active parking assist and surround view system. Also comes with the multimedia package. We've got dual climate controls, our hard keys for our media display, a wireless charging, USB port, cup holders, touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving settings. This GLC 300 has only 2,544 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC, check out feldmanimports.com.